Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Learn Electrical. As we discussed in our last topic about star delta starter theoretically, and today we will discuss star delta starter power diagram. We know star delta starter. Why we use star delta starter? We use star delta starter to avoid inrush current. Here we see this winding. 1, 2, 3. 3 winding means this is 3-phase motor. This one is red, another is yellow, and last one is blue. And we join the end of the windings with each other, red, yellow, blue with each other. So it means this is our star connection. Red is also giving supply to one winding, yellow is also giving supply to another winding, and blue is giving supply to the third winding. So it means every winding will have 220 volt. If we see to the delta connection, so in delta connection we have also 3 windings, but the start of the winding speed by red, end is speed by yellow. Same second winding, start is speed by yellow and end is speed by blue. Last, start is speed by blue and end is speed by red. So means every winding have 2 phase, so therefore there will be 440 volt. So it means in star connection every winding will draw 220 volt, means single phase, and in delta connection every winding will draw for 40 volt. Here are some symbols. This is for MCB, miniature circuit breaker. This is for conductor. This is for MCCB, molded case circuit breaker. This is for fuse, and this is for OLR, means overload relay. Now we come to star delta power diagram. This is main conductor, this is star conductor, and this is delta conductor. For example, we have 7 kilowatt motor and motor draw 10 ampere. So in start per means 4 to 5 second, it will draw 4 to 5 times of the rated current, and the rated current is 10 ampere, so 4 to 5 times will become 40 to 50 ampere, and this current will be more from rated current, so it can burn the winding of the motor. So this current is called inrush current. If you want to know about inrush current, so above you will see the link, so you can watch the video in that link and you will know about inrush current, and also will know about the star delta theoretically. Now here we come to power diagram. Now here we come to power diagram. In power diagram we have MCCB, miniature circuit breaker, overload relay, contactor, main contactor, delta contactor, and star contactor, and here is our motor. We are giving supply red, yellow, blue to MCCB. Before MCCB, here means in past time here we are using fuse, but when fuse burned one time, so now fuse is a sacrificing device, so we cannot repair the fuse again. And MCCB, if it due to overload or short circuit something, it trips, so we can remove the part and can restart this MCCB again, can reset MCCB. So here we have a supply red, yellow, blue. It come directly to MCCB, and from MCCB it go to overload relay. From overload relay it come to contactor. After contactor we have red, yellow, blue, and here we have motor. Motor have 6 connection outside, 3 on one side and 3 on another side. So we give connection name U1, V1, W1, and another side is will be opposite, means it start from U1, V1, W1, another will be opposite, another will be W2, U2, and V2. We place this opposite because if there is fault or anything, so we can clearly find that fault and remove that fault. Now this red come to U1 of the motor, yellow come to V1 of the motor, and blue come to W1 of the motor. Here you can see red come to U1, Y V1, and B W1. Now here we have another contactor. This is delta contactor. Now to one side we will connect red, yellow, blue phases, and from another side we will take output and will give to here. Red is connected with U1, so here red will connect it to U2, as you see here U2. Here yellow is connected to V1, you see here also. So here yellow will come out and will connect to W2, you see here. Here blue is connected to W1. Here blue will come and connect with V2, and at the end we will install another contactor, that is star contactor. And for star contactor we will also take red, yellow, blue from this connection and will connect directly with each other on another side, means red with yellow and yellow with blue, so it will become common. So means in start motor will start, so mean in start motor will start in star, and after some time it will automatically convert to delta, because we will install timer also, so due to timer it will convert to delta after some time. So this was our topic today, power diagram of star delta starter. Already we discussed about star delta starter theoretically. So if you have any confusion in any area of the topic, so you can ask me downside in comment section. I will try my best to clear your concept. Thank you, have a good day, take care, Allah Hafiz.